guys, welcome back to my channel. So today will be a round of destashes. I think there's 7 or 8 of them total. Lots of straws, and then a couple of handmade stuff, and then a free destash, just pay shipping. So I'm gonna jump right into it. This first one right here is Lot A, and it is $6 shipped, and it is all these fun straws. You can make embellishments. I put these at the top of bag toppers and whatnot. So these are like a rose gold polka dot, super cute pineapple ones. I owned a party shop on Etsy before, so that's why I have a lot of straws inventory. These rainbow ones, these are from Walmart Easter, but they're super cute for like unicorn theme. These pastel pink stripe ones, red ones, oh, these are coming undone. These purple ones in stripe, and then these super cute foiled flamingo ones. So that is it for Lot A, $6 shipped. PayPal only, friends and family only, USA only. This is Lot B. This is also $6 shipped. You will get a red stripe. You will get this really pretty floral print. This is like a peachy pink stripe on it. Again with the rainbow ones. You will get these baby blue ones. Get the rose gold polka dots. And you get these super cute balloon, like multicolored balloons on there. Super cute. That is Lot B. Lot C is $6 shipped. You will get these like ace and spade ones. You will get these are supposed to be like a matte gold. It's kind of like a craft color almost, but it's a matte gold. These polka dot pink ones. These super cute iridescent pink ones. Oh, there's a random one in there. Black and white. Gold foil striped. And again with the rainbows. So that is Lot C, $6 shipped. This is Lot D, $6 shipped. You get black and white. These pink stripe, and then half of them are polka dot pink stripe, not stripe. The rainbow ones, these purple polka dot, super cute pineapples again, the gold foiled ones, and then these blue striped ones. So that is Lot D, $6 shipped. Oh my gosh, I have so many straws, and I kept straws, you guys, so I'm not getting rid of all my straws. That is Lot D. Okay, this is Lot E. You can see D, E. Yeah. This is $10 shipped. These are, you guys saw my tutorials if you've been following me for about a year now. I made a bunch of embellishments in bulk, and I found that I don't like doing that. Now that I've done it, I don't like doing it because my next project is something custom and unique to that person or that swap, and the theme is particular, so it's like I couldn't really use stuff, I guess, you know. Anyway, so little envelope, and my crafting style has changed within a year. So anyway, a little envelopes. These are a little file folder. These are the cute little bunnies that were inspired by crepe paper posted something. Look at the little toppers I made on the silhouette. Then these ones, little page flags, little rosettes. These are all like Maggie Holmes papers. These little rosettes, more of the page flags. Not page flags, those are banners, like mini banners. And again with the rosettes, they're all different words and colors and whatnot. And then these ones are from, I can't even open them. These are just rosettes and stuff from my Valentine's Day like tutorials I was doing for rosettes. Some of them I just didn't use, and I didn't do a lot of swaps, so I was just like, I'm trying to like declutter. So yeah, $10 shipped for this handmade lot. This is Lot F. This is $10 shipped. What goodies in there? So this is a really good deal because I got to pay the shipping. So you're getting a bunch of stuff for less than, shipping for this is $4, so less than $6 for everything. So these are little felt hearts. There's some pens in here, or pencils. These little, I use these as like dangles. I just like used them as big giant charms. These little embellishments. These little tags that say yum. These little felt hearts. These little foam hearts. These are little Valentine's Day stickers. And then this paper Looking at this, I want to keep this. These little pencils. These are, yeah, Target Dollar Spot. I remember buying these. It says check and done, doodle, little felt, and then those are the pens. So that is $10 shipped. Last but not least, this is lot G. This is $4 shipped. It's all free. You're just paying the $4 shipping for what this costs. Oops. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, so you get this Halloween. Okay, let's see here. Craft box shaped like a bat. I never got to alter those. You're gonna get these bows. This is part of one of the things. I'm gonna pull all this out. Definitely Christmas and gold theme. So here are some more bows. There's 3 of them on there. Then you have these 2. A little flower that fell off of something. These little spare parts. This is just stuff that I'm like finding while cleaning my room, and I'm like, I don't want to go put it back in the box that I just put away. These little like holly berries. These little like sprig tree looking things. I don't know. They're really pretty though. These are like more of like the holly berries. Another flower that fell off. Little sprigs. And some more holly berry things. And a little poinsettia. So yeah, you'll get all this for free. Just pay the $4 shipping. So that's it for the destashes today. And I'll catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.